Imagine a summer morning. You wake up expecting the usual brilliant sun, the warmth on your skin. But instead, a strange, suffocating gloom hangs in the air. The sun, if you can even see it, is a faint, blood-red disk. This isn't a dream. This is exactly what happened to millions across Europe and parts of North America in the summer of 1783. For weeks, a mysterious, dry fog blanketed the land. It wasn't rain or mist, it was thick, acrid, and it seemed to absorb all the light. Observers at the time described it as suffocating, sulfurous, and the sun as the color of blood or a tarnished copper coin. People were terrified. Was it a plague, a divine punishment? No one knew. The consequences were immediate and devastating. Without clear sunlight, crops withered and died across the continent, leading to widespread famine. But even more horrifying was the silent killer in the air. Thousands, from France to Iceland, began to suffer from severe respiratory problems. Headaches, burning eyes, difficulty breathing. For many, it was a death sentence. Doctors were baffled. The world was literally dying under this strange, dim sun. So what was this invisible killer? For centuries, it remained a historical enigma. But in recent times, geologists and atmospheric scientists began piecing together the clues, and the answer pointed to one of Earth's most violent and powerful forces, a volcano. Far away, in the remote reaches of Iceland, a colossal volcanic eruption had begun in June of 1783. The Laki eruption wasn't your typical towering cone-shaped explosion. Instead, it was a massive, 8-month-long fissure eruption, spewing unimaginable quantities of lava and, crucially, gases into the atmosphere. What Laki unleashed was staggering, an estimated 120 million tons of sulfur dioxide. This wasn't just harmless gas. When sulfur dioxide mixes with water vapor in the atmosphere, it forms tiny, reflective aerosol particles. Imagine billions upon billions of microscopic mirrors floating high above the Earth. These particles were incredibly efficient at doing one thing: blocking sunlight. They scattered the sun's rays, turning day into a perpetual twilight. They absorbed heat, contributing to unusually cold winters in the years that followed. And as these particles eventually settled, they unleashed acidic rain that further damaged crops and ecosystems. Carried by prevailing winds, this enormous cloud of volcanic pollution drifted across Europe, then to parts of North America, creating the dry fog that baffled and terrified an entire generation. It was the respiratory issues, however, that were the direct and deadly result of people inhaling these sulfurous aerosols day after day. The invisible killer was very real, and it originated thousands of miles away. The Laki eruption of 1783 stands as a stark reminder of the incredible, often unseen power of our planet. It illustrates how an event in one corner of the world can have devastating global consequences. It's a testament to the fact that seemingly isolated historical oddities can, with scientific investigation, reveal themselves to be critical pieces of Earth's complex puzzle. Today, thanks to geological records, ice core samples, and meticulous historical research, we understand the true story of the day the sun went out. It's not just a captivating historical mystery. It's a powerful lesson in the interconnectedness of our atmosphere, our climate, and the sheer, awe-inspiring force of a restless planet.